Have you ever been frustrated by a WPF input form that just doesn't behave the way you expect? If you're dealing with event triggers and command execution, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the sequence of events in WPF TextBox controls and how to get them working seamlessly. I totally get it. You want your commands to execute with the most up-to-date values, but the text changed event is firing too early. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges when working with dynamic forms. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "How can I get my command to execute after the field value has changed?" They explained that the text changed event fires before the bound property updates, leading to outdated data being processed. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? When you type in a text box, the text changed event triggers before the binding updates the underlying property. This means your command is executing with stale data. Understanding this sequence is crucial for finding a solution. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a clever workaround that will help you get your commands firing at the right time. To address the user's issue, we can change the way the command is triggered. Instead of using the text changed event, we can utilize the lost focus event. This event occurs after the user has finished editing the text box, ensuring that the bound property is updated first. In the XAML code, we will modify the event trigger to listen for the lost focus event. This way, when the user clicks away from the text box, the command will execute with the updated value. If the user prefers to keep the text changed event for immediate feedback, we can implement a delay before firing the command. This can be done by using a timer to wait for a short period after the last text change before executing the command. Lastly, the user should test the new implementation to ensure that the command executes with the updated value. This will provide a smoother user experience while maintaining the desired functionality. Fun fact, did you know that the first graphical user interfaces were developed in the 1970s? They were a game changer for how we interact with computers, just like how mastering WPF can change your development experience. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using the binding.sourceUpdated attached event instead of the text changed event. By setting the binding.notify on source updated property to true, you can listen for the source updated event. With this approach, your command will be triggered right after the binding data is transferred back to the model layer, ensuring that the latest value is used. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative approach suggested by a user is to execute the command in the view model when the value property of any item in the qualification type fields collection is set. They recommend hooking up an event handler for the property changed event for each item in the collection. In the event handler, if the property name is value, the command is executed. Additionally, if qualification type fields is an observable collection, remember to add the event handler for new items added to the collection. Finally, handle the collection changed event to add or remove event handlers for new or old items in the collection. Here's the clever workaround I promised. Use the lost focus event for command execution, or implement a delay in your text changed event. This will ensure your commands always have the most current data. And there you have it. With these tips, your WPF TextBox controls should work exactly as you need them to. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insights, and remember to share your own experiences in the comments.